Today we're going to be doing some beans, African beans. The beans are already boiling with the meat, but now we're going to make the sauce. So first we're cutting up peppers. Make it green peppers. Until it's all done.
You cut peppers and the onion?
Yeah, doing onion too. 2 onions.
You have a magic cube? 2 magic cube.
And then we have oil.
Oil.
And then tomato puree for later.
And season.
These up. Into big chunks. We'll cut them small later. I've already started, but we'll just be showing you the rest of the process. What's this called? Nearly done with peppers. It doesn't matter about the seeds, but you can take them out if you want, but it doesn't matter. Put up all the green peppers. Now for the next piece, just put that piece still, put that aside. Yeah.
After you need cut onion.
You get that.
Just a cooking beans.
I'll chop all the peppers. Now it's onion.
I need a charger for the phone. For me, help you for cut onion?
Yeah, okay. Yeah, sure.
Go.
Cutting up onions now. Again. And then Ooh, very strong. Alright, so you have to cut them up really small.
What are you cooking today?
Beans.
African beans.
Yeah, African beans.
And the meat.
Yeah, the beans and the meat are already boiled though. But we just need to make the sauce.
Okay, what you doing now?
Cutting up onions. And
Onion and peppers.
I already cut up the peppers, but yeah, after put it in the frying pan, and then we're gonna fry them together.
Your eyes watering.
Yeah, well. There we go. I cut up the onions. Oh, you do the other one now. It's hard enough just doing one, never mind two.
Oh, I've got two too.
I don't know. Do I have to do another one, Dad?
Hmm?
Oh, do I have to?
No, one onion I think is enough.
Okay.
For me to help you for cut onion?
Okay. Ooh, very strong.
Yeah, I think
Onion.
just for help just can cut onion.
Ooh.
We're cooking African beans and the meat together.
Ooh, it's very strong.
Have you cut this meat up already? This one you cut it.
Yeah, Jess, come here.
Yeah.
Come back. It's you cooking, not me. Yeah, you need to put fire on and the oil.
You cut that meat up. Chop the meat up.
No, it's not problem.
Right, so what have you done now? Cut them both. Both the onions done now. So.
If you cook it, not ask me the question.
I know. Right. This one. Okay, I'm going to put it on very low, not too much. I put it.
Why on very low?
I don't know.
Put them six.
So it doesn't burn the onions, that's why. It's very low. Bit of oil. Not too much.
You put number 4 for onion or number 5?
Put it on number 4.
Number 4.
That's not enough.
What are you doing? You put oil.
Yeah, put the oil in.
Leave it on that.
I know. Just.
No, just leave it. When it comes fire, no problem.
What?
Put number 6.
Number 6?
Yeah, after putting down. Yeah.
Okay. And then now.
Show people the onion and the.
Hard to tell.
Okay.
Okay. Don't want to fall on the floor. Lady butter. Oil on top of it.
Not done yet?
Yes.
Done?
Yeah, that's enough.
Yeah.
A bit of me.
Good done.
Okay.
You need a spoon.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Empty it all in.
Shh. Go on.
Yes. Amazing.
Magic kid. One magic kid.
One.
Tell people, no, you're not telling me. Tell people here. You put magic kid.
Yeah.
Tell
One.
people. One magic kid.
One. It didn't go in the middle. Empty it off a bit. Make sure it doesn't burn. Mix it with that. Oh, where is it, Maggie? Okay. More oil.
You put more oil.
Yeah.
Because it look like you know oil, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, put more oil. Okay.
Sizzle, sizzle.
Somebody cooking today. The beans and the meat is here. Oh, it's Jessica cooking today.
Yeah.
You go put tomato now.
Yeah. Open it. Oh, it opened. Okay.
Is it open?
Yeah. Okay. Turn it round now. Turn it down a bit. Yeah. It's gonna burn the onions. Put it down to 4 now. Not on 6 anymore. Turn it down a bit. Make it all nice. Oh, it smells good.
Smells nice.
Yeah. Oh, doing a good job.
Season.
Sizzle.
1 liter spoon.
Small spoon.
What's that? Show people here. All portion season. Okay. It's like just magic cube, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just 1 spoon.
Mm.
Just a spoonful.
Okay. Show here. Just little spoon. Okay. Not too much.
Not too much.
Okay.
Turn it down again. Make sure it looks again. It smells really nice.
Smells nice.
Yeah.
Smells nice already.
Yeah.
Hey, what you go do now? You go put that inside the beans.
Mhm.
Okay, I think it looks like it's done.
That's it. like it. It looks like it's ready.
You look ready?
Yeah. Open the beans up.
Mm-hmm.
That looks nice.
Mm.
Oh, that's it.
How old are you, Jessica?
11.
11.
Yeah.
She's just 11, but she's cooking good. You see? 11 years old. She cooking beans and the meat. Yeah?
Yeah.
Olamba madesu. Look at me here. Olamba madesu. Ivana olamba madesu. Now you put that inside.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
What's this?
Add a small chili.
Chili.
Yeah, small. Only a small one. Not too hot.
Not too hot. Yeah. Yeah, good. Oh, very good. Now you mix that.
Yeah.
For the onion, peppers, go down
Yeah.
the beans and the meat.
Uh-huh.
What meat that one? Beef?
Yeah, I think.
What do you think? You cooking? It's beef.
Yeah. It smells really nice. This sauce looks good. Well, there's the beans. The meat.
Now, after cooking, you need to clean your kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay, look a mess.
Yeah. Oh, it will.
Oh, mess. That's pumpkins for Elohim.
Oh, yeah. Hello. Do pumpkin carving. Soon.
Yeah, I think. Yeah. I think you put water, little water. And then the kettle. You know what in the kettle?
That's good.
Yeah, put water, not too much. Okay. Very good. Oh, Jessica cooking today. I think we cover that. The top.
Leave it there.
Hey, you also put the salt already.
Oh, yeah.
You need salt?
Yes.
Just little bit. Not put too much salt.
Not too much.
Hey, where's your salt?
That's there. Put it on your hand quick.
Yeah.
Put it on your hands first.
Okay. For make sure you put too much. Okay, very good one.
Okay.
For make sure your salt not go too much. Okay.
Okay.
The top, you cover that. How long you stay ladder now?
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
Why 20 minutes? Because the beans is already it was done.
Yeah, I think you said
No.
it was already done, so it needs to be like stay there 20 minutes.
Now need clean, need tidy up your kitchen.
Yeah.
Anytime people cooking, need tidy up kitchen. Not leave kitchen mess.
Yeah. That needs to go back in there.
But you always use magic keep just one. Another one, what you go do? That one. That magic keep. That one. Because you use just one, you say go use two, but you use just one.
Go and put it in.
You go put that in later?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we go waiting 20 minutes
20 minutes.
for it.
Yeah.
Hey, we go eat that with your rice, bean, semolina.
And
I saw rice is there. I think you go cook rice as well.
okay.
I saw rice is here.
Oh yeah, that's over there. 20 minutes, the beans are now boiled. And now we're going to add the second egg cube to the beans to make. And then we're going to start making rice after too. So, let's do that. So let's open this. That looks nice. So now we need to add this one in. There we go.
You put the magic keep.
Then put it in. Put it till in. And now that I've done that.
You put magic keep to
Yeah.
the beans.
Mhm.
After now, you go cook your rice.
Yeah. Oh, got a pan.
That's pan for rice.
Yeah.
Okay.
I only get rice as well. Cool.
Beans now you put magic keep. Needs take how long you go stay? 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Because that magic keep is just put it.
Yeah.
And
So
they
it needs
put the water. The water go down a little bit as well.
Yeah, it needs to settle a bit too.
Mm. It looking nice.
Mhm.
Mm.
Yeah, tasty. Now we make rice.
Okay.
Got my pan. I've got my rice.
I think you need to cover the beans again.
Yeah.
You go use boiling water from
Yeah.
kettle.
Mhm. Kettle water.
Okay.
Like that. Boil it.
But I think you need to move the pan in the cooker.
Huh?
Yeah, your water I think is done.
Yeah, it's fine.
Be careful, it's hot water.
Very hot. Wait for it. Okay.
That's hot water, yeah.
Yeah, very hot. Boiling hot. See all the steam coming out?
Mm. She's just 11 years old, but she's cooking beans and the meat. Meat is a beef and rice.
Shouldn't that be enough?
Yeah, I think it's enough.
Right. Now,
You go put down the cooker.
yeah,
Be careful, it's hot.
hot. Careful.
Mm.
Otherwise, use my hands. Okay. Very nice, isn't it?
This is rice.
Yeah. White rice.
Now you go put the rice in the pan, but be careful, the water is hot. Mm.
Okay. Right, that's there. Let's do it again.
Okay. And why do that for? For no stack?
Yeah.
Good. You see, everybody want to cook your rice. Many people don't know about that. When people cook your rice, make sure you need spoon. Yeah. You mean hot water.
Very hot water.
Yeah.
Kettle water.
Kettle water. You put your rice and then make sure you move that for the rice come separate.
Yeah.
Ndio balobana lingala loso moko. The secret.
I've heard that somewhere before.
Yeah. Yeah. You see? When you do that, you make the rice not stack together.
Yeah.
The rice go be really good one and separate. And some people want to cook your rice, you take a little oil, just a little one, you put inside the rice, yeah, for make that really nice. Not too much, just a little bit.
Just a tiny bit.
Yeah, you see, she put in oil inside the rice just for make that good as well. Yeah.
But
Yeah, some people put little salt, but some people not put it. It's no problem.
it'll only go into the rice though because water and oil doesn't mix. So it'll only get into the rice, not into the water and everything to make it so it's good. You need one spoon. It's very easy making rice.
Take for cover your rice.
Yeah. Not that one.
Oh,
Cover it up.
yeah. Say something for people now.
They're making rice.
Now we're waiting for
Well,
rice. Take 15 minutes only.
Yeah. Not that one.
But you see, you put your rice in the high. It's not go burn it. After getting down, number 3. After 5 minutes,
Yeah.
you getting down, number 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the cooker. And then is there the number 6? After, go put the number 3 for the rice not burn.
Okay.
For the rice be nice. Yeah, say something to people now.
We're making rice, but and we made beans, and we made stools. Made lots of stuff.
Now Daddy can eat.
Yeah.
Sizzling.
Yeah, we go waiting 15 minutes when the rice go done, and the beans.
The steam is coming out of the hole.
Okay. Yeah, today is my daughter, her name is Jessica, Lenton Mayango. She cooking beans and the rice. It's a new program. We go start see down the YouTube. Everybody needs to try it. What call it first?
Subscribe.
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 Anyway, tous s'abonner pour nous mona. Next week, nous allons lamber dans Josué. Alors c'est la chose cake. Because à la spéciale, c'est on lambe dans ça un gâteau. Je suis going to make the cake next week. Yeah. I think week after, Daddy or mommy?
Yeah.
Daddy, well, me I'm going to cook next week after because next week je suis going to make cake.
Yeah.
Week after, I'm going to cooking. I think nice rice and the meat. Yeah. Now I'm going to sabulai, nangombe. Et là, programme à Sika, tous s'abonner, et ça a bien. Et là, quand on a soutenu la chaîne, vous voyez qu'il y a toujours un problème dans la chaîne. Cette fois-ci, tu vas dire que tu as un appareil à Sika, tu vas faire remonter la chaîne. Ce que tu as posé, c'est que tu as image, tu as un store contrainte, tu as l'équipe au Bimba. Tu filmes, tu as Olamba, Olamba Pondu, Olamba Fumbo, Olamba Deso, comme n'importe quel Olamba, tu soutenir, tu as une vidéo, tu as la chaîne. Let the money Jessica today make beans and rice. This is just morning azolamba loso na madesu et on va manger. Nous tous we go to eat that.
Yeah.
I think just 11 years old, but you see everybody see like she cook. After cooking, you tidy up the kitchen.
Yeah.
Me say for everybody, when you're cooking, make sure you tidy up your kitchen. Tant au lamba, il faut bon ça la cuisine. Moi na moki à 11 ans, mais à bon si cuisine bien là, à soucoler bien, à pangoussi bien, à tidy that up. Mais moi na maman monsieur sur na poto na Londres, na France, na Belgique, partout, à lamba mais cuisine il y a des ordres. Mais moi na 11 ans Jessica, she cooking rice, beans. After she tied up, at Bongisi Pena bien à Pangusi. Et that program at Sika, we go to call that program.
I don't know.
Ready, steady, cook.
DM food.
Yeah.
Yeah, DJ Mayambo food.
Yeah.
Yeah, we go call that DM food. Mais DJ Mayambo et Lubu. Et Lubu, il y a DJ Malam, il y a DJ Mayambo. Donc, quand on est en Belgique, France, si on a besoin de toi, il mange, tu as ça la vidéo. Si tu bats les collections dans la carte Angleterre, précisément dans le Boca Store Conference.
Then give me beignet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Right, so rice is done, beans and meat are done.
Rice is done. Show people rice. Ah.
Now and then beans are done as well. Still.
Now you turn down the fire.
Yeah, I did on that one. Wait, that one.
Okay. And the beans as well.
I've already done that.
Okay. Hey, what do you go do now for eat time?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. But we don't know what to go do. We go to eat or we go just try. We don't know. But I think it's good anyway.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be good. Yeah. Time to try what out.
Show people beans. Show people beans. Oh, she's looking nice. And the rice as well.
That looks nice. I guess it's time to try it now. What I've made. Try what I've made. Made this with myself. All of it. All by myself. I think I did a good job.
You did good job. Okay. Bye bye. Say bye bye to people now.
Bye. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Jessica tolamba biloko. Alambi beans and the rice. Now we go to eat.
Taste
time.
Taste time.
Are you sure it's nice, Jessica?
Don't know, I ain't tasted it yet.
It was really nice.
That's good.
Oh, I don't believe it. Non du matin. Wow. Really nice. Make your comment down, eh?
Very good.
Yes. Congratulations. Félicitations. Moi, alami beans, alami made sunaloso. Alambi yango vraiment très bien. Quand je dis très bien, alambi yango bien. Perfect. It's really perfect.
Good.
Oh wow. I don't believe it. You can't say something?
It's nice. I'm proud of myself. You made it really nice.
Elle a bien préparé. Parfaite. Quand je dis parfaite,
Fantastic.
fantastique.
Phenomenal.
Wow. On a mis ngombe, na madesu, na loso. Alambi yango iye moko to ani vidéo biso nyonso. Tomoni alambi.
Phenomenal. Muy bien.
C'est bien?
Muy bien. Very good.
Alambi yango vraiment parfaite. Excellente. Félicitations ma fille. Ça c'est ma fille. Moi on a mis balé Jessica. Ça va conseil na pesa na ba maman surtout tant ozo boko la bana otika bonka ba telenga na libanda te. Il faut que l'arsa bango cuisine. Parce que cuisine nga kolamba. À chaque fois soki nazana bango na bango il faut que ba kolamba parce que lobby oza yo moko na vie na yo. Taiti lilo lambi madesu na ngombe na loso. Donc comme papa nazolia biloko moi na lambi. Donc je suis tranquille. Attends la zate, n'aime que moi na ngai place à Rosala à kolamba sans problème. Donc là ninga kata ki matungulu, you cut onion first,
Yeah.
Akata matungulu, akati na
And I cook peppers.
Peppers so on na oh, peppers.
Yeah.
Ninga cheki tomate na na moto, akalingi, après akufi na madesu.
Do you like it?
Omoni na ninga saki nyonso atie ba cube magie na ye, asali nyonso vraiment c'était très bien. Maintenant toujours lia. Malheureusement peut-être que excusez-moi d'abord sur toujours lia. Mais je suis obligé de le bas parce que Zolia na biloko au moins lambi. Peut-être le bas qui ce que la poste à ça programme pas na yo. Comme tout ça va te au bengi kana numéro za na sewana. Au bengi ngai DM Aigle na koya. Na doit ba matériel nyonso ba caméra, ba ram nyonso ba lumière to filmer bino au lambi biloko na yo ba balé. Na la sponsor numéro 1 ngamo na sponsoriser chaîne na sponsoriser programme ngamo na pesa mbongo biloko olamba olambi to filmer eleki na chaîne na biso to s'abonner pe to partager bobi ki nazwa ki attaque na chaîne na ngai ba abonné nyonso ba bimaki so daki abonné au moins ko so abonné te comprendre que zaki attaque tozwa ki au fini na bouton ya s'abonner et ko ça biso bien. et ça abisso bien pour s'abonner et ça abisso bien ba programme asika to bandi na moi na moi sina ba toujours ma fille elle est toujours près de moi ba programme asika to bandi et aux ala bloga kolamba le to moni ya lambi madesu na loso nde to oni ya boy ala madesu na loso to moni lobby la semaine prochaine dans ça gâteau ça Josué je vais filmer ni voilà dans ça gâteau na ça ni ba gâteau ba biscuit wala da spécialisation na et quoi kuna ngam na olamba ngamba loso bulai na ngombe ainsi de suite tu peux na posa bolamba obengi biso on dit pas d'idée tu na posa na lamba na koyela mbongo epesi yo mbongo so bilo na olamba. Si vous avez déjà ça ne dérange pas. Tout aujourd'hui, un bon, tu peux sur un bon pour la carte de sponsorisation sur la chaîne. Tu peux sponsoriser, tu peux sur un bon au lambi bilo qu'on a eu et passer la chaîne. Mais ce qui est important, tu partager, tu liker, puis tu commenter. On a remarqué un mot. Puis ça, tu peux connaître ce que chaîne. Chaîne zongi. Chaîne zongi. Tu joues qui attaque. Tu vois qui sur qui attaque. Tu vois déjà presque 1000 abonnés. Tu vois presque 1000 abonnés. Mais tu as mis un peu de taquet biso. Chaîne comment il a problème. Et à gravité. Tous ceux qui ont s'abonner. Tous ceux qui ont s'abonner. Tous ceux qui ont s'abonner. Bah conseil je appelle singabi non na sa premier minimum politique était mais ba que politique ate luki yango te yango ko lukayo sur les missions politiques ezali to ça na biso parce que bata politique bata ka biso na za clair le bango na na gravité mais ba chaîne divers et commis le ko la kolamba nous avons la chaîne on a la programme on a créé on fait visiter ba mboka nga la vendre à stock contraint. Nous avons visité le store contrainte, nous avons la caméra dans la poignée sur la parc, la ville, Bezle, Menton, store partout. Si on peut aller à Londres, nous avons filmé Londres. Si on peut aller à Paris, nous avons filmé Paris, Floride, Belgique, partout dans le Tamboula, nous avons toujours la caméra dans la PML. Pour nous faire découvrir l'Europe, nous avons la carte, l'autoroute Europe. Donc vraiment non ça l'effort même si Dieu me fait grâce il y a pour voyager en Afrique peut-être qu'en Afrique peut filmer pour nous savoir émission à Congo mais ce qui est important ça finalement s'abonner na chaîne abiso beaucoup à la dessus na chaîne abiso beaucoup à la dessus pe ba ndeko na équipe ya Kinshasa bah ça là dans ce moment bah gag bah 1 minute 2 minutes 3 minutes et dans rapport au faire pour ça batou so moni yango tala partager la petite lamboté ne bandeko Jess stop it
I don't know.
allez on va passer à mbote na ba nyonso ya ba diko peta mbote na ya liboso na ba mbote na moninga na ya bolingo makasi na kombo ya patience mbangu bosenge aza na mboka il a l'Angola ngira na soyo so na bosante patience mbangu ana Angola so na Angola ta na Mwanda ya pesi na mbote pa patience mbangu na bosante yanga moninga etango nyonso Jano Kabwachika Patrick Lobleka Bokango na Ekbok États-Unis Jano na France Dizo Makabi na mboka France José Tozet Kuzulu na mboka France na PCP yanga famille wana ala famille na ko bossa jamais Élysée Wedi elongo na mama ya pesi nombote na pesi ba famille na nyonso famille Bifu famille Mayambu partout bozali na pesi nombote Jonathan Die Libiche Papi bino nyonso na pesi bino mbote bisika bozwami déjà bino de Didier Aigle Mayambu toujours bebi que la simba caméra bo mwana les pension na ngai ninga kamwaka mais nga kamwa ngote parce que sorry non ba Simba caméra à l'âge de 12 ans, âge déjà 11 ans, Simba caméra au filmer, c'est ça normal. Il y a au moins de pension en gagne. Bon s'abonner. La personne qui a un sur la stock contrôle, mbote, ba pasteur sur la mboka stock contrôle. Donc mbote pasteur honoré mbote le angwana. La personne ba tout nyonso ba na stock contrôle mbote. Mon vieux de tous les temps, mon vieux Claude Monzele na mboka Congo. Alors que c'est journée à Kinshasa. Mon vieux Guy Kassai na mboka stock contrôle. Mon vieux Patrick Ngobila. Mabozo mona na tozo kalate, mais mbote ne angwana. Dans mon thème, la personne mbote pas ya Fabien Kabongo. Wana sous donc famille. Bonika boso caméra ba kombe kimaka, so comme on qui ont été désolé mais la personne mbote na ba nyonso ba yebingai. De tous les temps, er nyonso bo yebié maman Lompoko, mais maman chef. Grâce na personne mbote pas na ye. Na personne mbote pas ba ndeko nyonso bozo mbote na bino. Lelo mutalamba ki zaki Jessica mutalamba ki lelo. Elle a bien cuisiné, elle a mis l'osso, na madesu, na ngombe, tolia qui vraiment, sorry, tolé vraiment, sorry, nazolia, nazoloba, yamozo sa ningwana. Elle a mis l'osso, na madesu, na ngombe, sans oublier, what's that? Sans oublier, wine. Tozolia, tozomela mwa vin na ngai, esungi ngai. Na pesi ka mbote na batu nyonso. Ce qui est important, s'abonnez-vous. Ndiye olbaka, s'abonnez-vous. S'abonnez-vous. Et bien, Marie-Paul, s'abonnez-vous. Vous comprenez? Tous s'abonner et ça l'absolu bien. Puis, le programme ya Kintoko, la Kinshasa ezali, toza ko bon sa programme. Bon, moi, là, pour un programme culturel, pour ba star, ba pasteur, ba musicien. Place sur vos amis. Bo bengi ka na numéro ya Yuri, na chaîne numéro ya Yuri na si bo mo na ngwana, bo bengi Yuri, a chaîne une émission au collègue na chaîne. Bandeko ba takaya biso onga ko daka ke nzamba pambola bino, bo ngaki chaîne na ngeka mame na ngolu ya nzambe chaîne zo konye ko fonctionner. So moi ko na abonnement, c'est gratuit. Au finir par bouton, au s'abonner, c'est gratuit. Soutenir des contenus à chaîne pour chaîne et tambola. Et la pension nanga. Non, ça n'a pas d'embauche. Parce que tu vas dire, ah, mon affaire, quand tu as YouTube, non. Moi, je suis ingénieur, je travaille dans une compagnie en place. Ça, comme ça, nanga est bien. Nous allons poster un bon à YouTube. Je fais ça pour nous soutenir, bateau, pour que ça va être l'eau. Tout le monde a une mission, mon cause éducatif. Moi, la lambi, tolé. L'autre peut-être la paye pour ça là. Ba conseil kozala ba réalité kozala ya poto misusu ba teka mapangu na bango na Congo pour na poto est-ce na poto est-ce ça paradis to éviter mais to soutenir na binga boso na ndeko na moko na boso na ina mboka Turquie Nancy na pesi mbote Nancy na mboka ya Turquie wana petit frère na nga propre wana pena famille na mboka Turquie Nancy na pesi mbote yo ngwana. Il se peut de Turquie, na koya Turquie kalaté, le kola banjele fungwami, to que couronné à sauter, to voyager, to voir hôtel abino na mboka Turquie. Pe bandeko baza na mboka États-Unis, de kola pasteur Caleb, na koya pe les États-Unis kalaté et JD prof na pesio mbote. Na koya les États-Unis kalaté, koya hôtel abino mon frère Jacques les États-Unis, na koya hôtel abino na États-Unis kalaté na zone les États-Unis. To sa pe émission na bino yanga ndeko na mboka Canada risqué Moussoumari je suis Jonathan yo na boso na kote ata